Sometimes we appear completely calm on the outside, but inside, a small universe is scattered. Questions, fears, memories, and hopes all echo deeply within our hearts. And in those nights, a soft voice, like a friend, reminds us that we are not alone. Today, I've come to you as that friend, a friend who will gently guide you back to yourself, a friend who reminds you of your worth. Sometimes we make ourselves available for everyone, answering every call, replying to every message, stepping forward to help. We think maybe someone will truly appreciate our efforts. But the truth is, what is always within reach often loses its value. So, don't make yourself cheap. Only those who truly value you will understand the worth of your presence. Remember, your respect, your boundaries, your peace are non-negotiable. When you learn to honor yourself, the world begins to honor you automatically. Sometimes keeping distance is necessary. Why? So that people realize how precious your presence is to them. Being away from those who don't value your truth is not selfishness. It's simply self-respect. Now, take a moment. Just feel yourself. Every breath, every heartbeat, and tell yourself, I'm here for myself. I'm enough for myself. Remember, when you understand your own value, no force in this world can steal your inner peace. Respect is not a gift, it's a reflection. The more you honor yourself, the more the world will honor you. Sometimes we have to distance ourselves from who we were. Why? So that we can choose ourselves again. Understand our limits, recognize our needs. The journey may seem difficult, but it is this journey that makes us stronger, wiser, and more aware. You fall so that you can rise better than before. You break so that new light can enter within. You walk alone so you can finally hear yourself. Life gives us small lessons every day. Some teach us why boundaries are important. Some remind us why self-love is crucial. And some show us that without inner peace, no external happiness lasts. Now, think of those moments when you lost yourself in others' expectations. Slowly feel yourself reclaiming all of it. Every experience, every hurt, every success brings you closer to your true power. Remember, those who get lost the most find themselves in the most beautiful way. You are doing the same, quietly, with dignity, returning to your true self. Tonight, just tell your heart, I will be available only for those who deserve me. And for a few moments, immerse yourself in this calm joy. Think of the things you've ignored until now and feel yourself slowly making space for them in your life. Every small step, every new lesson brings you closer to your true strength. Remember, you are not alone. Your heart, your soul, and your thoughts will always guide you. And every new morning will bring opportunities, happiness, growth, and true love for yourself. Tonight, slowly relax with your breath. Feel with your heart. You are stronger than before, more aware, and fully connected to yourself. Good night. Sleep well, my friend.